Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best wool brushes for cars in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Viking Premium Metal-Free Brush for Wool Cleaning. These products are to be metal-free, making them safe and secure for your tires. The brush boasts a unique size with an increased length and oversized head for easy cleaning of those hidden zones that are difficult to reach. It removes brake dust, road grime, dirt, and returns the shine to the rim and wheel. It comes with a Sure Grip TPR handle that makes it comfortable to grip. Heavy-duty microfiber cleaning brush compresses for greater flexibility and maneuverability to clean tires and wheels safely and effectively. A must-have for any car detailing kit, use this microfiber car wash brush to apply tire cleaner to wheels and tires. Soft foam core covered with a microfiber bonnet and a plastic handle for a flexible, durable, scratch-free tire brush. Increased length and oversized cone-shaped head to easily clean hard-to-reach areas. Number 2. Our second best pick is TAKAVU Master Wool Brush. The product is designed with a gentle but effective bristle. Its bristles are nice, long, and stiff enough to clean dirt and mud. However, they are soft enough to be used on chrome and alloys with no worries necessary, with lots of similarities with the above-mentioned brand brush. This brings many advantages to the table. Their notable differences are their color and length. These brushes come with good looks, red and black color scheme, and with a brush head of 9.5 inches, which allows you to easily access parts of the wheel construction that you thought were out of reach. On the other hand, it is not just about the length, it is the application that counts, right? It might be a little too big for smaller wheels or the more intricately designed alloys. So, for a more detailed cleaning job, it is advisable you get a smaller product to help facilitate its effectiveness. Number 3. Our third best pick is Brush Hero Wheel Brush. If you are open to getting a multitasking, powerful, cleaning aid, then this bad boy could be worth every penny you invest in it. Though it is on the pricey side, however, the cleaning efficiency you get from the brush is phenomenal. It is so far removed from the typical wool brush you might come across. In fact, the manufacturers don't even describe it as one. Instead, they refer to it as a water power turbine. Fantastic, right? The handle is attached to a plain hose, and so it could be used with no pressure washer required. If your car wheels always come in filthy, and you occasionally had to deal with struggling to get the stains out but never quite getting them all out, then be rest assured this Hero Wheel Brush will do an awesome job to get your wheels as sparkling as the butt of a baby. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Chemical Guy Detail Brush. This brush is great for the purpose of multitasking in all kinds of cleaning applications, though it has a slight difference from the more traditional brush like Mother's brand above. It employs long, relatively soft bristles, which means that it is not designed to scrub away thick mud and dirt, so it is not advisable to buy this alone, especially for an off-road enthusiast. However, it is designed to get through into the smaller spaces on your wheels and alloys. It is quite effective for cleaning around the wheel lug nuts, inside the car, to clean in and out of the smaller areas that accumulate dust, like touchscreen displays, air vents, and around the dashboard. With this, you can agree it is another high-quality, multipurpose tool that is worth the surprisingly low price in the market. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Mother's Wool Brush and Tire Cleaner. This is one of the best wool brushes you can purchase. It is a good tool with a fair price and moderate size, able to perform multiple tasks. This brush comes with bottles with a medium level of stiffness. It has a comfortable ergonomic handle, which also implies that they are specifically designed to be strong and stiff enough to tackle mud, all kinds of dirt, and any going substances on your wheels. They are also soft enough to clean and get through other surfaces like bumpers, fenders, etc. It also comes with a non-slip grip which is comfortable for prolonged use and will also keep the brush secured in your hand, especially when it is soaking wet. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.